Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Well, my friends, the plague has hit my household. No, I'm just kidding. It's not the plague, but it sure does feel like it. I don't know. I think we got some sort of really bad cold that just wiped the whole house. My 3 little ones had the most miserable night 2 nights ago. So obviously that day they were already feeling pretty bad. All they wanted was snuggles and they weren't really eating. They were at least drinking water. So I didn't really vlog anything. I vlogged what I cooked that day, but that was it because it turned for the worst that day and night. And then yesterday we actually set an appointment because the 2 oldest were really bad. They were coughing nonstop all night. So we ended up going to the doctor. And then we get there and they're like, tough luck. There's nothing we can really do, unfortunately. So we ended up coming back home. They got a little bit better. We each slept with one of them so that their cough wouldn't wake them up, because initially they were sleeping all in our room. Well, 2 of the oldest ones were sleeping in our room. So I slept in the baby's room. My dad, who's here, slept with the oldest downstairs, and then my husband slept with our middle child. So everyone had a parent, an adult, and luckily they slept much better, but the situation is still pretty grim here. Everyone's really sick. So today I figured, you know what, let's do a lot of comforting foods, meals, drinks, and we're gonna start off by doing a juice that is going to help boost the immune. It's gonna have carrots, apple, and it's also going to have mandarins, orange. And then we're gonna do a caldo con papa, which is a Colombian soup. It's very comforting. It has potato, onion, and chicken, and lots of, like, you gotta basically simmer it. It's going to just really give the kids energy. Hopefully they eat it, because that's the other thing. They really haven't been eating much. They've been drinking water, luckily, but food, hit or miss. They just don't have the appetite. That's how sick they are. But the baby looks better today. Our middle one had a rough one last night, so she looks okay today. But my oldest slept well last night, but he still has the worst cough out of all of them. So he has been taking pure honey. We've been doing like honey with a little bit of lemon, or lime, sorry, lime. So he's been doing those shots. We've had to like kind of force it upon him because he just has the worst cough out of all of them. But luckily, I guess it's not wheezy. It's not like something that the doctors were alarmed with. He just has a nonstop hoarse cough. So today's just gonna be a lot of cooking. And then we're also gonna do some banana muffins. Some of them might have chocolate chip in them, others won't. But I have some bananas that are looking pretty ripe that I need to do something with them. So I bought some ingredients for that. And yeah, it's gonna be just a lot of cooking, trying to help these kids feel better. We as adults, my dad has it now, so he doesn't feel great. I feel better, but last night for some reason my throat started hurting. It could possibly be because a child was coughing all night in my face. But my husband feels okay, so hopefully we're on the mend here. That's what I keep telling myself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get cooking. The first thing we're going to do is sear our chicken. Now I like to use these drumsticks just because I feel like it really releases a lot more juice than your traditional chicken breast. And I'm also going to add some salt. Then I'm going to peel 6 potatoes. I like to use yellow potatoes, but it's totally up to you. You can use red, russet, it doesn't really matter. And then we're going to add 8 cups of water. You are going to want to slice your potatoes as thin as possible. I like to use my food processor. It makes them super thin, but you can always use your good old knife and cutting board. After this, we're going to prep 1 whole onion as well as about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and I'm going to place them whole inside the soup. After you add the onion and the garlic cloves, you are also going to add the sliced potatoes and mix it up. You're going to let this simmer for about 1 hour. The longer you can let it simmer, the better. Eventually, you're going to take out the whole garlics as well as the onion and a little bit of potato and place it in a blender and mix it up so that it completely dissolves. And then place it right back into the soup. And while my soup is cooking, I went ahead and started to work on my juice. Now this juice is full of vitamin C. We're going to have green apples, we're gonna have gala apples, carrots, as well as oranges or mandarins. I happen to find mandarins a little bit sweeter than your typical orange, so I went ahead and did that route. They did not have ginger at the store, so no ginger shots, but I'm gonna try to order some, and then tomorrow, or maybe later, it'll get here. We'll see. Hi! Lots of vitamin C, my friends, packed into this juice. We need it. And the last step in this delicious soup is to chop up some cilantro. Now I know not everyone likes cilantro, so I serve the people first without cilantro, and then I go ahead and add all of the cilantro to the soup, let it cook for about 10 to 15 more minutes, and it's ready to be served. So it's really simple. It really helps you get some energy. It's good on the stomach if you have an upset stomach or if you just plain don't feel good. So I definitely recommend this traditional Colombian soup. These few days go by so fast. I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now, let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe, get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so are all of you. Does this come true? Christmas Eve is Alright, it's time to start our banana chocolate chip muffins. I don't have, coincidentally, a muffin pan. Like, I have the little tiny ones, or I have like the really big ones. I needed just your traditional 12 muffin pan. I was able to get this one from Walmart. You know, they deliver. It comes with little silicones inside as well, so that was a plus. But for this, I'm gonna use your paper little muffins. What are these called? I don't even know what it's called. But we're just gonna use these. These I got actually from IKEA a while back. I thought they were cute and they were festive. Like these little paper plate molds. And we're gonna go ahead and wash this little pan. It's not my favorite pan. I wanted something a little more cutesy, like pink, teal, but in a time crunch, it will do.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Santa, won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind, the number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it.
All right, taste test. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna like these. I'm not a huge fan of chocolate, but it's actually really good. Wow. I'll leave the link down below of the recipe. Very good.
Until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red.
Friends, it's a new era in this household. Goodbye, high chair. All three babies ate off this table, and now We officially have a proper high chair so that she can eat on the table. How exciting as we are hacking up a lung here. All right, my friends, this completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had to change because we had a throw up session. The phlegm is coming out and it was all over my dress. But like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.